Tired of broken links and messy URLs hindering your WordPress website's SEO and user experience? Let's fix that. First, we need a robust redirection plugin. The redirection plugin is a fantastic, free option. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, hover over plugins, and click Add New Search for Redirection. Once you've found it, click Install Now, and then Activate. Now, you'll find redirection in your WordPress admin menu. Let's dive into creating our first redirect. Imagine you've changed a page's URL from old page to new page to ensure visitors and search engines still find it. We need to redirect the old address to the new one. Click on Redirection, then Options, and add New Redirect in the source URL field. Enter the old, broken, or outdated URL. For example, type old page. In the target URL field, enter the new, correct URL. So, for our example, this would be new page. Crucially, ensure the match option is set to URL only for most common redirects, and the group is also set to URL only. This tells the plugin to look for the exact address. Now, simply click Add Redirect. And that's it. Your old URL is now seamlessly sending users to the new one. This prevents for errors, preserves page authority for SEO, and gives visitors a smooth journey on your site. You can manage all your redirects here, creating rules for specific pages, categories, or even entire website sections, ensuring your website remains organized and search engine friendly as it grows.